Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll guide you through using ConvertKit for email marketing, step by step. First, open your browser and go to ConvertKit.com. Sign up for a free account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, you can see your subscriber count, email performance, and recent activity. To start building your email list, click on the Forms tab. Then, click Create Form. Choose between an inline form or a modal pop-up. Customize the form with your branding and the information you want to collect. After creating your form, you'll need to add it to your website. ConvertKit provides an embed code that you can place on your site, or you can use a landing page hosted by ConvertKit. Next, let's create a welcome sequence. Go to the Sequences tab and click New Sequence. Name your sequence and click Create Sequence. Then click Add Email to start composing your first email. You can set delays between emails to control the timing of your sequence. To automate the sending of your sequence, go to the Automations tab and click New Automation. Choose Joins a Form as the trigger and select the form you created earlier. Then, add an action to Send Email Sequence and choose the sequence you just created. To send a one-time broadcast email, go to the Broadcast tab and click New Broadcast. Compose your email and choose the recipients. You can send it immediately or schedule it for later. That's it. You've now set up email collection, automated sequences, and broadcast emails in ConvertKit. Thanks for watching and happy emailing!